Hi everyone, it's great to meet you all virtually. My name is Anushree Parkhi and I'm thrilled to introduce myself as a member of the AIA Building Performance Knowledge Community. I'm joining you from New York City where I've spent the last few years obsessing over building science and performance. So, a little bit about what I do now, my current professional context. So, I work in New York City as a junior building physicist and my day-to-day job focuses heavily on technical facade design. My Usually my tasks involve diving deep into thermal comfort metrics such as U value, thermal stress analysis, and a little bit of hygrothermal simulations as well. I'm passionate about high performance buildings and building envelopes in general. Just not as an aesthetic skin, but more thinking about it more from a point of view of a complex system that usually impacts overall building performance and occupant comfort. In my current role, I'm heavily engaged with enhancing the thermal comfort to develop the building envelope such that it could create more comfortable buildings. I think occupant comfort is such an important metric in architecture, but it's rarely spoken about. So, a little bit about how I got here. So, this technical aspect did not just happen by accident. I've always actually been interested in the technical aspects of architecture, more of those that have to do with like building construction, building science, climatology. I did my master's in architecture with a concentration in building performance from the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, and I graduated in 2024. The strong academic foundation there gave me the tools to look at architecture more through a forensics and physics based lens. So, before moving into building physics, I actually worked as a technical facade designer in New York City, which gave me the more of the boots on the ground kind of experience, where I kind of got to understand these complex systems and how they're built and where these performance risks often hide. So the transition from design to physics is has been really great so far, and it actually is the thing that fuels my perspective today. A little bit about why I'm here. So I joined the AIA Building Performance Knowledge community about a year ago, and I believe that it's really important because I believe our industry is at a turning point. We have many better tools today, especially with the invent of AI. Some of these include like Energy Plus, Ladybug, IESV, and so many others. But the real challenge is about integrating these simulations into the design process, especially at an early stage. So, as I mentioned, I've been a member of this community for just over a year, and it's been great so far learning from everyone's collective experience. I truly believe that this is like a collaboration of how we can make performance a standard part of the architectural conversation rather than an afterthought. And that really keeps me excited to be a part of this group. Apart from this, some of my hobbies include so when I'm like away from the world of building physics, I like to shift gears a little bit. I love to take long walks in New York City, or I sometimes just like to spend a quiet evening at my desk with a sketchbook and a set of paints. So yeah, that's a little bit about me, and it's been great connecting with you. And I hope to meet a few of you at our BPKC events, and also hoping to share a few insights on the industry and building performance in general. Thank you so much for having me. It's been great.